Yeah, good morning guys. Dimitri here from upvc.com.au. I'm just in the modern Frankston, Victoria house now, townhouse. And can you hear the birds? Yeah, check that out for a brand new house build. Even though it's about 6 mil single glazed, I'd say 6 or 7 mil, 6 mil probably. You can freaking hear the birds from the inside of this multi-sliding door. Check out the sound when I push it. You think aluminium will be more sturdier, but it's actually a bit flexible, this one. So yeah, with UPVC systems, we put extra reinforcement in pretty much that thick and about that deep. What that does is makes the glass sash sturdy in place, because we'll use at least 5 mil toughened glass each side for this 24 high opening, which I'm doing in Adelaide in a French door, which we'll see probably around December. So yeah, as you can see, the sound is not that great. Until next time.